you have it, fresh, homegrown tomatoes ready for your very own ketchup. Check out our next video where we'll guide you through the process of turning these tomatoes into delicious homemade ketchup. Choices include Roma, San Marzano, or any paste tomato variety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy farming and see you in the next video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of tomato farming, specifically for making delicious tomato ketchup. If you've ever dreamt of growing your own tomatoes to make that perfect homemade ketchup, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Introduction. Tomato farming for ketchup is not only rewarding but also quite simple. All you need is a bit of space, some basic supplies, and a passion for fresh, homemade goodness. So, let's jump into the steps. Step 2. Choosing the right tomato variety. Step 1. Choose the right tomato variety. Look for varieties that are known for their rich flavor and are well suited for making ketchup. Popular choices include Roma, San Marzano, or any paste tomato variety. Step 3. Selecting a suitable location. Next, find a suitable location. Tomatoes love sunlight, so choose a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Make sure the soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. Step 4. Preparing the soil. Now, let's prepare the soil. Mix in some compost or well-rotted manure to ensure your tomato plants get the nutrients they need. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH level. Step 5. Planting the tomatoes. Time to plant those tomatoes. If you are starting from seeds, plant them indoors a few weeks before the last frost. If using seedlings, plant them about 2 feet apart, giving them enough room to grow. Step 6. Watering and care. Water your plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mulch around the plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. And don't forget to provide support as they grow. Step 7. Harvesting. When your tomatoes are a beautiful, vibrant color and feel firm to the touch, it's time to harvest. Gently pluck them from the vine, and you are one step closer to that homemade ketchup. Step 8. Making tomato ketchup. And there you have it, fresh, homegrown tomatoes ready for your very own ketchup. Check out our next video where we'll guide you through the process of turning these tomatoes into delicious homemade ketchup. Thanks for joining us on this tomato farming adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy farming and see you in the next video.